Ever find yourself wandering the realms of fantasy, still yearning for more after the epic conclusion of You're Not Alone? Many fans are on a quest for that same immersive experience filled with political intrigue, brutal battles, and complex characters. While nothing can truly replace the world of George R.R. Martin, several shows offer a satisfying adventure until it returns. And then, as I can say, let's explore some options in terms of these shows aren't just about swords and sorcery. They're about power, ambition, and the human condition. All wrapped up in stunning visuals and captivating storytelling. They each offer a unique blend of history, drama, and action, guaranteed to keep you hooked. So grab your goblet, settle in, and prepare to discover your next obsession. First up is tape. On the surface, it seems far removed from Westeros. Pirates aren't exactly common in the world of dragons and direwolves. However, this show delivers gritty, realistic battles and political maneuvering that rivals anything seen in. It's a prequel to blending historical figures with fictional events set against the backdrop of the 18th century. The series spans 4 seasons, culminating in a finale that many fans consider a masterclass in storytelling. Next, we have this History Channel series follows the saga of Ragnar Lothbrok, a farmer who rises to become a legendary Norse hero and king. Expect epic battle sequences that will remind you of the Battle of the Bastards, alongside intense family politics reminiscent of the Lannisters. With 6 seasons and a spin-off series, there's over 100 episodes to immerse yourself in. Mon series, and then there's before Dragon's Sword and Kingdoms clashed in Westeros, HBO delivered another epic historical drama. Offers a glimpse into the transition of ancient Rome from a republic to an empire, filled with political intrigue, captivating characters, and memorable fight scenes. You might even recognize some familiar faces, including Huron Hines, Indria Varma, and Tobias Menzies, who all graced the halls of Winterfell. And finally, we arrive at Pursues. Emerging a few years after, this series feels like a spiritual successor based on novels. It follows Uhtred, the Saxon warrior raised by Vikings, torn between 2 worlds. Expect high drama, monumental battles, and a satisfying conclusion for characters like Brita. A journey that even surpasses Daenerys Targaryen's fate, plus you'll spot actors from, making it the perfect binge watch while you await the next chapter. And that reminds me, why did the knight bring a ladder to the battlefield? To reach new heights in combat, of course. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,